Hey friends, do you want to take an existing worksheet and make it so your students can edit it? Well, you can in just a few minutes. Check out this tech tip in 2 minutes. Hey friends, I'm Shannon, Tebaldo on Tech, aka the Paperless Professor, and I'm a professor and I'm a student, and I'm here to share tech tips, resources, and reviews for teachers and students just like you who want to be paperless or just learn a little bit about ed tech. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, thanks for coming back. Let's get learning. So you may recall my previous tech tip video where I snapped a photo of a piece of paper, a worksheet, and I converted it into an editable Google Doc. I'll add the link in the description if you missed it. Well, sometimes you might want a different kind of interaction with this content. So my sister, actually, who teaches 3rd grade, sent me this question. I thought it might help out others as well. So here it goes. You're gonna wanna snap a photo of a worksheet that you've already got printed out and edit it in your photos and then upload it to your Google Drive. If you missed that, the previous video had all the details on how to do that. Basically, you really want this piece of paper to become a JPEG. Once it's a JPEG, you can set it as the background of a Google slide. Go ahead and open a blank Google Slides, click on Background, and select the image from your Google Drive. Then the image will become the background on your slide. From there, you can enter text boxes where you want your students to enter their text on this Google slide. I usually type delete this instruction and enter it in. I do this for each of the text boxes where I want students to add text. And then your slide is ready to be pushed out through Google Classroom. It's pretty simple, right? Couple things to remember. The process is the same on the iPad as it is on the desktop computer. The only difference is on the iPad, you're going to be needing to use the browser and not the app. Not the Slides app at all, not the Drive app, nothing. So that's the number one thing. Process is the same whether you're on a computer or on your iPad. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. You don't want to miss any of the upcoming tech tips videos. Hey, feel free to check out my podcast, the My Tech Tool Belt podcast, where we interview teachers who innovate, engage, and inspire using technology in their classroom. I'll put the link in the description below. Be sure to check out some of my other tech tips in 2 minutes, and I'll see you again in the next video. In the meantime, keep learning, friends.